Food companies hide a secret about your favorite sweet treat. There's a hidden world inside every delicious chocolate bar. You know that satisfying snap, the smooth melt. What about dull, crumbly, or streaky chocolate? This difference is due to chocolate tempering science. Today, we uncover cocoa butter's secret crystal life. Understanding this hidden chemistry transforms your baking. Prepare to unlock the true potential of chocolate. Most home chocolate efforts result in sad outcomes. Often, chocolate develops white, grayish streaks quickly. This unattractive phenomenon is called fat bloom. Bloom makes chocolate grainy, dull, and unappealing. Untempered chocolate also lacks that satisfying clean snap. It melts poorly, feeling waxy instead of luscious. The culprit is cocoa butter, chocolate's primary fat. Cocoa butter is unique. It's highly polymorphic. This means it can solidify into 6 distinct crystal forms. Each crystal form has a different melting point. Forms I through VI are known to scientists. Form I is unstable, melting at just 17 degrees Celsius. Form VI is the most stable, but very difficult to achieve. Chocolate's hidden secret lies in controlling these forms. It offers that desired glossy finish and satisfying snap. Chocolatiers is Form V crystals. Form V provides chocolate's perfect smooth texture. It offers that desired glossy finish and satisfying snap. These crystals melt perfectly in your mouth at body temperature. Form V is stable, resisting fat bloom for longer periods. Its melting point is around 32-34 degrees Celsius. Achieving this specific crystal structure is critical for quality. Without Form V, chocolate loses its magic quickly. Tempering is the controlled process of crystal formation. First, chocolate is melted completely, destroying all crystals. This typically happens around 45-50 degrees Celsius. Next, it's cooled to encourage unstable crystal growth, then carefully reheated to melt away those bad crystals. This leaves behind only the desired stable Form V seeds. Traditional methods involve tabling on cool marble surfaces. Seeding involves adding tempered chocolate to melted chocolate. Both methods guide cocoa butter into its perfect crystalline state. This precise temperature control ensures professional results every time. So chocolate's beauty hides incredible crystal science. Mastering tempering unlocks perfect texture, snap, and shine. It prevents unsightly bloom, enhancing shelf life greatly. Now you understand the true chemistry behind great chocolate. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.